Hi, and welcome to AI Boosters channel. Chat GPT has brought AI technology to public attention in the last 2 months. A new era has started and we are witnessing a revolution that will affect every business. Today, I am going to present you a few things about the revolutionary technology that has the potential to change the way businesses handle their processes, Chat GPT. Moreover, in this video I will show some basic ideas on how to use Chat GPT for administrative tasks in your job. GPT-3, which stands for Generative Pre-training Transformer 3, is a state-of-the-art language processing model developed by OpenAI. It's capable of understanding and generating human-like text with incredible accuracy, making it a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes. With GPT-3, we can automate a wide range of administrative tasks, from scheduling meetings and responding to emails to summarizing documents and conducting research. It's a game changer that can save businesses time, money, and resources, while also improving efficiency and productivity. In this presentation, we're going to take a closer look at GPT-3, including its capabilities, use cases, and possible implementations. In the next episodes, we'll also explore some real-life examples of how you can successfully use Chat GPT to grow your business. So, without further ado, let's dive in and discover the many ways that GPT-3 can help your business thrive.
As I mentioned earlier, Chat GPT can automate a wide range of business administrative tasks. Here are a few examples of how it can be used. Email responses. GPT-3 can help businesses handle a large volume of incoming emails by generating quick, accurate responses. It can be integrated with email clients to assist with triage and prioritization, or to automatically generate responses to common inquiries. Schedule management. GPT-3 can help businesses manage their calendars more efficiently by creating, updating, and canceling appointments and meetings. It can also assist with schedule conflicts and rescheduling. Document summarization. GPT-3 can help businesses quickly and easily summarize long documents such as reports, contracts, and proposals. This can be especially useful for businesses that need to make sense of large amounts of data or information. Meeting notes. GPT-3 can help businesses take more accurate and detailed meeting notes. It can also help with follow-up tasks, such as creating action items and distributing minutes to attendees. Customer support. GPT-3 can help businesses with customer support by generating responses to common customer inquiries, or by providing additional information to support agents. This can help to improve response times and customer satisfaction, as well as reduce the workload for support staff. These are just a few examples, but the possibilities are endless. Chat GPT can automate a wide range of tasks and improve the efficiency of any business that uses it.
In conclusion, Chat GPT has the potential to revolutionize the way we do business, from handling administrative tasks to improving customer service operations. Its ability to generate human-like text, combined with its natural language understanding capabilities, make it an extremely powerful tool for automating repetitive and time-consuming tasks. Whether it's generating reports, answering customer inquiries, or creating content, Chat GPT can help businesses to work more efficiently and effectively. We have shown some examples of how GPT-3 can be used in the business admin context, but the possibilities are endless. We strongly encourage you to explore how GPT-3 can be used in your own business and to consider conducting a pilot test to see the potential benefits for yourself. If you have any questions or need assistance getting started, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Let's grow a network of AI-passionate people to harness the power of the new tools and take our businesses to the next level. Thank you for watching. There is more to come on AI Boosters channel soon. Hit subscribe to join the AI revolution.